study the effect of concentration on rate of reaction between sodium thiosulfate and hydrochloric acid. For this, we need sodium thiosulfate, hydrochloric acid and distilled water. We prepared the solution of 0.1 m hypo, 1 m HCl. Rate of reaction, rate of change of concentration of reactant or product. Unit is mole per liter per second. Suppose we have taken a general reaction, AR is equal to B product. So average rate of reaction can be expressed by following formula. Here negative sign is taken since concentration of reactant decreases with time. And make the rate positive, we put negative sign. So negative into negative, this become positive. Rate always will be positive. Instantaneous rate of reaction, when time interval is taken as smallest as possible, then average rate of reaction become instantaneous rate of reactions. So limit delta T tends to 0, minus 1 upon A, delta R upon delta T, this become minus 1 upon A, dr upon dt. Law of mass action and rate constant. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to the product of concentration of reactant. So R can be written R equal to K, active mass of A and active mass of B. We can define rate constant. Rate constant is equal to rate of reaction when concentration of reactant are taken unity. For elementary reaction, A mole of A, B mole of B, that equal to product. So rate law expression, that will be R equal to K, A raised to X and B raised to Y. Sum of X and Y will be equal to integer, is called order of reactions. Order of reaction of a reaction is equal to sum of power raised on concentration terms in rate law expression. Example of order of reaction, zero order reaction, H2 plus Cl2 equal to 2HCl. First order reactions, pseudo first order reactions, second order reactions, third order reactions and fraction order of reactions. Molecularity, number of chemical species participating in a chemical reaction which collide simultaneously to bring about a chemical reaction is called molecularity of reaction. Molecularity of reaction cannot be 0. Molecularity of this reaction is 2 because 2 molecules are participating in the reactions. We have taken 6 test tubes named A, B, C, D, E, F. We have taken 25 ml water in test tube A, 20 ml in B, 15 ml in C, 10 ml in D and 5 ml in E, and nothing water taken in test tube F. Adding 5 ml hypo in test tube A. Now we added hypo in all the test tube as per levels, so that volume of liquid become 30 ml. Temperature of liquid is 29 or 30, near about. This is now we have to complete this table. We will add equal volume of hydrochloric acid 1 m. We will find the time for cross to become just invisible. I put red color mark behind the test tube. We have to note the time when this red color marks disappear. I am mixing the test tube well. I am going to mix hydrochloric acid 1 m. Now A remains. So red spot of A is going to disappear. It will take some time. Time is going on, and A taking time. This happens. Colloidal sulfur is formed. I will show the reaction, what types of reaction taking place in this. So here, colloidal sulfur. So turbidity taking place due to formation of colloidal sulfur, that yellow color sulfur. Sulfur dioxide gas also evolving during these reactions. So these reactions, this is the reactions taking place between hypo and hydrochloric acid. We keep the concentration of hydrochloric acid constant, and we have taken variable concentration of hypo. So here A. Now A is just going to be disappear, and this 3 minutes completed. 3.32, 3.37. Yes, it is 3.5. Redox reactions for reaction taking place between thiosulfate anion and H ion. So colloidal sulfur and sulfur dioxide gas evolve. So in this reaction, we have changed the concentration of hypo, but concentration of hydrochloric acid kept constant. We have completed the table. From here we are seeing that concentration of hypo decreases, so that time taken